You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn what is the meaning and how to pronounce this Irish slang phrase correctly. So first, let's start with the meaning. This is essentially a phrase meaning what's up, or what up, as the Americans would say, or what's the story, what's going on in your life. So somehow, somewhat like English speakers say, how's it going? So it's what's up, what up, are you going all right? Is it going well in your life? And the pronunciation is as what's the crack? What's the crack? That's essentially Irish slang. If you want to learn more Irish, stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.